Hey, what's going on, everyone? Jesse with Hot Off the Wheels here, and I'm at lunch, so I don't have a lot of time left, but I wanted to let you know I've got a video coming soon to talk about this guy, Iron Man right there, bang. Talk about Ultron, yep. Talk about Captain America, little Thor, yep, I love that casting right there, and little Red Skull, and I think I'm missing one. Yep, missing one. Missing number 6, Thor's evil or misunderstood brother, Loki. So yep, this Marvel set will be unboxed soon, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great April 1st, April Fool's Day. But I will be unboxing these. It's not an April Fool's joke. So definitely stay tuned for that video. I love this casting so much. But yeah, stay tuned for this video coming soon. I'm not going to do it here because I'm at work. I have to get back to work. So I'm just on my lunch break, but I wanted to let you guys know and wish you all a great April. Happy peg hunting. Hope you have great success this month. I hope I do as well. I haven't had a lot of success this month or in March. My wife had some pretty good success, which basically equals for me, but you know, still, personally, I haven't had a lot of success peg hunting lately. But I want you guys to have a great April 1st. Let me know how your peg hunting is going, and stay tuned for the unboxing of these Marvels. It's gonna be a great set. So, thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.